Hi! In front of me is TCL 205 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this TCL. Firstly, you need to find Sound Recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. Now select Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to delete it right away, click on this bin icon and tap on this card. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. We need to wait a bit and click on the check mark now. Now you need to name your recording however you want to and tap on save. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to play it, click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Then click on this bin icon at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!